Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you my tips for fixing any electrical stove. To do so, I'll be using my client stove, which is a fine working oven, except for these two plates as my client reported. One of the causes of the failure of these plates is here, which is a short circuit. While I'm connecting power to test this stove, let me take this opportunity to thank everyone who made this channel reach 1000 subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below, like this video, and don't forget to tell us in the comment section where you are watching this video from. After some minutes, I can confirm that this oven has no problems. At this stage, I'm going to test if these plates are really not working. So I switch on both plates. I can see that the pilot lights are working, which confirms that power is reaching the switches, and the switches are working fine. After some minutes, these plates are not even warm, so it's time to open the cover, find the cause, and fix it. I'm going to use this star screwdriver. This is a disclaimer. Please disconnect power from the socket before opening the cover. There's a lot of sticky stuff everywhere. Sometimes you may never know the effect something like this can have on your skin, so you have to wash your hands thoroughly after you are done with the repairs, or just wear gloves like me. This is what a two-plate stove with an oven looks like inside. Sorry guys for not showing you how I opened inside, because I have the other hand holding a camera. Now I'm going to perform tests on the plates to find the fault. To run these tests, you only need a multimeter. Just any kind will do, and in my country, the cheapest cost is $5. First, I have to adjust the multimeter to the ohms range on continuity. This test doesn't need power yet. Now I'm testing coils only. A multimeter should beep like this, or give me a reading around 70 to 80 ohms if the coil is fine. As you can see, guys, both of these plates are showing no signs of life at all. The other thing I forgot to mention is that when you are doing this test, disconnect one or both of the power supplies to get the correct results. But we have to reconnect them back to the coils for another test. Now the other test I'm going to do requires power with great care, because I might get in contact with over 200 volts. I have to switch on both plates. For safety reasons, please wear rubber shoes on this test. I'm going to use a multimeter again. Adjust it to a 3 volts range and point it to 750 volts. Now it's time to find out if power is reaching the plates. 210 volts is supposed to hit the plates. Since the right voltage is reaching the coils, it means I have to replace both plates. So guys, that's it for today. Catch me in the next video to see the best way you can restore your stove.